Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Jonah Belgo, ang inyong midwife. For today's video, pag-usapan po natin ang schedule for prenatal. So, kailangan during prenatal or sa pagpaprenatal, dapat may 4 na visits. Tinatawag natin na 1-1-2. In first trimester, dapat meron tayong 1 visit. First, second, third month, and first trimester, meron tayong 1 visit. In second trimester, 4, 5, 6, meron tayong 1 visit. So, kailangan 4, 5, 6, punta naman tayo doon para magpa-prenatal. So, 1, 1. Then, 2 visits, yung 7, 8, 9. So, kailangan natin ng 2 prenatal visits. So, all in all, 1, 1, 2. Reviewin natin. In first trimester, 1 visit. Second trimester, 1 visit. And third trimester, 2 visits. So, the total of 4 visits. So, yan lang po guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.